Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayomi's Kitchen. Today we are making one of the most popular snacks in Nigeria, pawpaw. It is sweet, golden, fluffy on the inside and one of the most loved street food in West Africa. So let's jump right into it as we make pawpaw. You will find the full list of ingredients and measurements down below in the description. We are starting by combining all our dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. We have our flour, we have our yeast, we have our cinnamon and nutmeg, which is optional. We have our salt, we have our sugar, and we have, of course, our warm water. The first thing we are going to be adding is our flour. Add into your mixing bowl. You have your salt. You mix all your dry ingredients together. This is your cinnamon and yeast. It is optional. If you want it, if you want to add it, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, you can do without it. But it just give it a very nice and good flavor. So we add our cinnamon and so these are our yeast. You add your yeast together into your mixing bowl. You can add it. Then we have sugar. Add your sugar into it, and you make sure you stir everything together until it's mixed very well. Mix it very well. Once that is mixed, you slowly add your warm water while stirring until the batter is smooth and stretchy. Slowly add your warm water. Slowly add your warm water to your mix. Once that is mixed, the texture we are looking for is thick but not soft enough for your hand to be dropping. You see the texture? You mix it very well, just like this. You mix it very well. So when you are done mixing your pawpaw mix, so the next step you want to attain now is for your batter to be proof. So what you will do, you can take your glove off. We have our napkin over here. You want to prove it for 20 to 25 minutes. Cover it and you take it out to cool. These are batter after 30 minutes. See how puffed up beautifully it is? That means we are ready to fry. Okay, let's get into it. I've got my oil heating over medium heat. You don't want your oil to be too hot because it will make your pawpaw to be brown on the outside and it will stay raw on the inside. So for you to know that your oil is ready, you will test it with a little batter and see how. Okay, if it rises and bubble up gently, that means that it's ready to go. So our puff is ready to fry. So what you do, you can use either spoon, or you can use your hand to scoop it, or you can use the scooper. We have like a scooper that you can use, but I would prefer to use my hand this time. So you can just scoop it in a little bit. You have your batter in your hand, then you scoop it a little bit into it. You have your batter in your hand. You see the way I put it into my hand, and you just scoop it out from this angle. So that's how you're going to scoop it a little bit into your oil. See, your oil is ready. So this, as it's cooking from the inside is not going to be raw. So you cut it into your oil, you cut it again. It's very easy to scoop. So you have it in your hand like this, and you scoop it into your hot oil. See the way I'm doing it? You have your batter in your hand, then you scoop it into your oil. Scoop it flavor of the pawpaw is filling all my kitchen. See how beautiful it is. So when you finish cooking, to know that your pawpaw is fully ready, you can see how they are turning by themselves. See how the pawpaw is sweeping over? That means that your dough is fully proof. So you allow it to turn brown. Turn them around so very often so that it turns golden brown evenly. Once they are golden brown, you can turn down your heat a little bit so that it will not get burned. Take them out and let the pawpaw drain on some paper towel. This step is very important so that some of the excess oil will be drained on the paper towel. See how fluffy the pawpaw is. It looks so yummy. Take them out so that you can drain out excess oil. Turn off my heat. Then my pawpaw is ready. See how beautiful it looks. Thank you for hanging out in my kitchen today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell so you will never miss a recipe. And remember, the full ingredients and measurements are in the description below. I will see you next time. Thank you.